Hello everyone, I'm Zahra Fatima. Welcome back to our channel. Students, this video is for Usmania University MBA Semester 1 students, and in this video I'm sharing with you the subject IT applications for management 100% pass important questions for the examination February 2025. So let's see what are the important questions. Now first unit 1, that is information system and management. Short questions first. First question RAM and ROM, very important question. Second question software, third hardware, fourth CPU, keyboard, monitor, fifth define computer, sixth programming languages. So these are the important questions in unit 1, short questions. From these, question number 1 is 100% important, and question number 5 is also very important, define computer, and question number 2 and 3 is also very important, software and hardware. So total 6 questions I am sharing with you. So students, start your preparation from these questions, because whatever questions I am sharing in this video, that questions are 100% important for your examination. And in this video I covered all the important questions from unit 1 to unit 5, short questions as well as long questions you will find in this video only. Now next, long questions for unit 1. First is define computer, explain its characteristics, advantages and disadvantages. This is very important question, 100% important question. Next question, explain the importance, role, opportunities and challenges of IT in business. Very important question. Third question, explain the differences between RAM and ROM. Very important, and this differences between RAM and ROM maybe you will get in short bit also. Now question number 4, what is programming languages and explain its type. Very important question. So these are the 4 questions for unit 1 as long questions, and these are very important. So students, after watching the video, like and share this video with all your friends, because these questions are very important for your examination. So unit 1 long questions, from these question number 1 is 100% important. Now unit 2 is emerging trends in IT. First, short questions, management information system, MIS, 100% important question. Artificial intelligence, very important. Decision support system, DSS, very important. Question number 4, cloud computing, very important. So these 4 questions are very important for short in unit 2. Now next, unit 2 long questions. First is what is management information system, MIS, explain its features. Very important, 100% important. Second question, what is big data, explain its features and characteristics. Very important. Define decision support system, explain its types and architecture. This is 100% important question. Question number 1 and question number 3 are very important. From these 2 questions definitely you will get 2 questions in unit 2. What is management information system, explains features, and define decision support system, explain its types and architecture. These 2 are very important. Now unit 3 short questions first. Unit 3 is communications and network, WWW, very important, 100% important question. HTML, very important. Network, very important. Internet, data communication, LAN, WAN, MAN, very important question. Topology, very important. Web browsing, very important. Search engine, 100% important. So these are the important questions from unit 3, most important questions. So students, start your preparation from these questions. Definitely from these questions you will get in your examination. Now unit 3 long questions. First is what is a network, explain different types of networks and components of network. 100% important question. Definitely this question will come in your examination. Next question, define communication, explain the various applications of communication. 100% important. Define OSI model, explain its function. Very important. So these 3 questions are very important for unit 2 as long question. So students, start your preparation from these questions. These questions are very important, and share this video with all your friends so that it helps to you and your friends for the preparation. First question, what is network? Explain different types of networks and components of network. This is a 100% important question. Now unit 4 is functional areas of information system. First short question, system development life cycle, SDLC, very important. Electronic fund transfer, EFT, 100% important. CRM, customer relationship management, very important. ERP is also important. Supply chain management is also very important. So these are the 5 important questions in unit 4 for short. From these 5 questions, question number 1, 2 and 3 are very important. Question number 5 is also important. Now long questions in unit 4. First, define system development life cycle, SDLC, very important. Explain its various stages, 100% important question. Explain types of ERP modules, very important. Explain human resource information system, 100% important. Explain about customer relationship management. This is also a very important question. So in unit 4 I am sharing total 4 questions in long. So these 4 are very important. Now unit 5 is security and ethical challenges in IT. First short questions, digital signature, 100% important. Security is also very important. Hacking is also important. Smart card, 100% important. Firewall, very important. Viruses is also important. Security threat, very important, 100% important. Digital signature is 100% important. Now unit 5 long questions. First, define Malacue software. Explain about different types of Malacue software, 100% important question. Second, what is smart card? Explain its types and uses, very important. What is meant by security of computer? Why it is important? Also explain various security threats in business, 100% important question. What is firewall? Explain the capabilities and different types of firewall, very important. So these are the important questions. Subject, IT applications for management. So students, like and share this video with all your friends, and if you are new to my channel, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that future notifications will come to you directly.